Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to easily design a professional logo. So today's video starts without delay, and those who haven't subscribed yet should subscribe. Get started. First, I open Illustrator. I take my size and you take your size. Then I open drawing file. Now this opacity greater than to less than. OK. Then I do layer name select. Now I chose my favorite 3 color, you can your choose color. Then I take a rectangle shape. And its need to act it. Then border side this radius. OK, then I chose color for this border. Then I stroke it. OK, it is perfect. Now I take a lawn shape. Now this shape rotate. Then again it copy. And then one side remove. And then again a shape. Then I remove and use side. OK, done. Then to border stroke it. Then again a star shape. Oh, it's ninja star. Again it copy. And then again. OK, it is perfect. Then I take color chose for this star. And then again a shape. It's need large to small. Again it copy. And this shape rotate. It needs to be a radius. OK, it is perfect. And then again star copy. Now I take a triangle shape. And again circle shape. Now I take path selected. So, before I customize shape. It's very easy and simple. So, you do it. Then I path selected. It's need talk edit. Then I take a color. Path color chose I white color. And then I chose gradient color. OK, it is perfect. Then I rotate some this logo. And drawing layer file for remove. Then I take a text. Play calm. And then I chose my font select. OK, it is perfect. Then I take text for gradient color. OK, it is perfect. So, today design is very easy. And important, this channel is graphics designing channel. So, after video coming soon. So, please subscribe my channel and have subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.